So hi everybody and welcome back to the C++ tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 40 and in this video we learn a new keyword which is a while loop. We already learned a for loop, and the while loop it's easier than a for loop. Let's get started. So first of all, the keyword is while. Then we need round brackets, and then we enter and make a body, and a body is all time a curly braces, and that was it almost. We write here in the round brackets a condition, and that's it. And how we are writing a condition here, that's a little bit there are different ways. Let's start it with a simple way which we already know. We create a variable, for example int my condition number, and I initialize it with 0. Then I use my condition number here, my condition number. As long as my condition number, I use a comparison. As long as my my condition number is less, let's say 10, so I want to loop it 10 times, it should do something here, and we print something here out, and we write here, for example, as it is here out, like old time, and let's write our text. Here we use while loop. Here we use while loop, and now make it a little bit more fancy. Let's write here my condition number in that we learned also, that we can use that, and we can make here let's make here a new line as well, or we make just make a new line like this, and so that will work. But that will not work. That's not true, because here is something missing. We miss something. We have here a start condition, but we have not set how we increment this, right? In a for loop, for example, we incremented this here in this condition, but this is not going, this is not working here. We have to write this increment now here in our loop body itself, right? That's very easy. What we can do is my condition number, I take it and say, for example, you can use this shortcut, or this is the increment which we learned, but you can also write a little bit more like the standard way, so that this one this one is the standard way, a little bit longer, and this one will all time increment the number by 1, because this body will loop all time till this condition is true, and while it's not true, it will all time increment here the number. And let's test it. We already wrote almost all things. It is similar to our for loop, like I said before, but let's see. Okay, it started from 0, it has 10 elements, and it printed out all these 10 elements. Okay, that was it already, and you see this loop was much easier actually than the for loop. The for loop was a little bit more, let's say, different. And yeah, I think we can stop here this video, and we will use this again in a program, but last time we had a heavy exercise, that's why we make this video short. So I stop here, and in the next video we learn probably one more keyword. See you there. Bye.